Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to do something that we did, but we're going to add some product. We did in the past, we did add to our acrylic, we did use dishwashing liquid and of course silicone. Now we're going to mix both of them together. I think it's going to be quite interesting because both of them are quite separate. They're quite different, should I say. So I'm wondering what's going to happen. The only way to find out is to try it. So let's go and see, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. So guys, I hope you're gonna agree. The result is great. It's a soft finish. It's a very soft, and I should say satin finish. It's very nice. Up to now, of course, it's not dry yet. I just finished it, but there's a lot of cells, but nice cells. Not too much. It doesn't take the whole finish, you know, with it. It's cells, but a little bit everywhere, and still we have a lot of very fine, very defined line of colors. I think the color, when you use brightest color, it gives you a softer finish, that's for sure. But with the dishwashing liquid plus the silicone, I think both of them great. I think it's one of my preferred one using those two products. I think it's very nice. I hope it's going to stay the same. I see a lot of cell appearing while I'm talking to you, so I think it's going to be very interesting. The paint seemed to add quite well to the canvas, so that's a nice thing. And like I said, as part of the canvas, which has a lot of cell, I don't know why, maybe it's because of the acrylic molecule is different for each, a little bit different for each color. So I think that's part of the reason, but I think there's more, well, not I think, I can see, as you can see the two, that there's a lot more cell on the yellow and the orange, which is quite nice. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it because it's real easy and it's really fast to do, and it's always surprising, and most of the time it's a nice surprise. So guys, don't forget to join us on Instagram, also on Facebook. It's a bit different to share on a daily basis, and it's quite fun. So we can exchange ideas, and you can propose to me some new way to do it or to try it with you. So guys, like always, thanks for being here. I hope you're gonna come back. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Okay guys.